Hi guys, today we have Italian weapon. This is Beretta APX. It's fully equipped with the streamlight flashlight on the front and red dot. This is green actually, and we need to test it how it shoots. Shoots for fun, and then we go to clean it.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I don't know what the hell just happened here, but this looks quite awesome. I never seen something like that. Wow. Take two. Another jam. Look, another jam. One mag, two jams. Three jams. Wow.
What the fuck?
Okay, this is the fourth jam for two mags. Oh, double feed. And jam. Wow. Let's try it one more time. Now it works. Actually, now it went well, but the first few shots with those jams was, I don't know why. I tried it for the first time.
What the hell are you talking about? We have a lot of customers from Italy. Get out. It's a perfect gun, and I will show you that if you are a good shooter, there is no jam. You see? Perfect! Now it's time for cleaning. So, safety first. So we need to check the chamber. It's okay. So we push here. Okay. Here we turn on this protection and here we go. It's ready for cleaning. So we start as usual from protecting towel. And the same story all the time. So ball form, shake it, we full feed the barrel inside and we leave it for 10 minutes. And during that time we need to clean the rest of the gun. So we use gun cleaner. Oh, it's dirty as hell. Of course, I asked the owner and he told me that he cleaned it 2 weeks ago. Of course, like always, it's a bullshit, as you see. But we do it fast and easy. So, our towel and dry the gun inside. And where is the place that it's very hard to reach with mechanical stuff, we use compressor. And done, it's clean. So after gun cleaner, we always use care spray. And leave it. So the slide. Oh, it will be a lot of fun here. Let's check. Of course, we recommend to use glasses during the cleaning process. And fire pin channel. Let's see, these 2 weeks. Yeah, really? Don't be afraid about optics, we will clean it later. So now we use our towel, you see, a lot of dirt, compressed air, and here we need to use brush, gun cleaner, and that's it, compressed air. So you can see, gun is clean, but not protected. So that's why, as usual, after gun cleaner, car spray. And don't forget about fire pin channel. And right. And when we want to do it fast, just use compressed air. Fire pin channel should be dry. And let's go to the other part. The spring. Now I think it's the original oil of Beretta. It's a copper grease or copper oil. This is new gun, quite a new gun. It has about 2 months, so it's quite new. And now we can back to the barrel. The foam is still working. We should wait a few minutes more just to be sure that this foam will remove all lead and copper inside the barrel. So we are waiting 3 minutes and we will back to you. Okay, so let's back to the barrel. We remove the rest of the foam with gun cleaner. If it's necessary, and here it is, we use brush for the chamber. But you see, few moves, and it's almost clean. Here. So we need to clean the crown of the barrel and the threads. Here, you see how dirty it is? Okay. Here there is all dirt. Okay. So, after gun cleaner, we use car spray to protect the barrel inside and outside. And now we need to dry it. So that's why we use our ball snake. So as you saw, 2 brushes, and the best part is that we can make a loop like this and dry the barrel inside and clean very fast. 3-4 times, it's enough. Okay, so the gun is clean, the gun is protected. Oh, and I forgot about the last part. We need to clean it too. A lot of dirt. And car spray. And dry it with compressed air. So everything is clean, everything is protected. Last part, lubrication. That's why we use our CLP oil. It's oil for moving parts. Just 2 drops. Outside the barrel. Oops. And 1 drop here. And 1 drop here. And of course, after cleaning, we need to reload 2 times. And almost last part is to protect the threads. For this, we use graphite spray. So we dry it, and spray a little bit, just like this. And final touch, we use our polishing towel to remove hairspray from the surface. Hairspray is still inside the gun, so it's not an issue, it will be protected. And the last part, it's our red dot. So if we want to clean it, we use our clear shot. This is the first anti-fog product and the second for cleaning optics. So we have our small towel for this. We just spray here, here, and clean it. Perfect. So here you have dry and shiny gun, and it took a few minutes. See you. Goodbye.